on the old stuff. I have rubbed myself raw, and the new is slow on the draw. This waking takes forever. I've been and the things I've seen and the people I've been and what's come in between. If I lined it up, I would have me alive. Pick it up here and lose it there, and the thread that runs through my life has grown threadbare. I'll throw the windows open just to let you see me like this, in the middle of whatever gets me by. I see that we move in lines and the lines move slow, but what I like about this is all that I don't know. What I don't know, well, it fills the universe. Bright thing in the sky is a cloud in front of me, but from somewhere behind it's all I see. But it brings me around again. Late at night, my love and I'd be lying side by side, and once or twice we'd see the lights of someone driving by. A flash around the bedroom walls, and we'd hear the crush of gravel. We'd laugh and try to guess which car it was and who in such late night travel. And it don't seem years. The blacktop's been there, and they painted them lines in case you don't know where. Full of the day you'd find us where the sun and the rain meet the land, with our feet on the ground and an eye on the sky. Life and death pass through our hands. Now the love of this place wraps around my heart like a quilt from my own love's hand. The shapes and the colors lie folded away, and this fading away was not planned. And it don't seem gone when I dream at night. I feel my love nearby, and the fields are all right. Just some old man gone blind on a porch at the edge of the highway. And every few weeks the county comes out and tells me how to live my life my way. The dusk of the day you'll still find me here, where the sun set so long ago. My hands lie empty and my heart beats alone, 'cause my love, this farm is all I know. And it don't seem fair after all these years. I hear their engines, they see my tears. And it don't seem fair after all these years. I hear their engines, they see my tears. Heaven knows I got a hole in my soul, where the sun gets in and the north winds blow. I got a home and I got the road, and I don't know where it goes, but I guess heaven does. I got some memories I wanna hold on tight, the ones that see me to the other side of night. And I gotta go, I'm walking real slow, but don't I know I'm gonna find a place only heaven knows. Heaven knows there's plenty to get through in this world. There ain't nothing you have to hold on to. Everybody keeps talking while we look for the words, and then they roll like stones after a flying bird. But the treble is sweet now, the bass grooves in the cellar of your soul, and then you're almost singing a tune only heaven knows. Give me your hand now, try to show me the way, and tell me everything that you've done in your day. But you can never know somebody until you follow them home, 'cause you always find the sweetest meat close to the bone. You can never know somebody until you follow them home, 'cause you always find the sweetest meat close to the bone.